Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Well, we've come to the end of April and that means we have the bag of the month for the month of April. So without further ado, here's the bag for the month of April. She is so pretty. This is her bottom. This is her inside. And her name is Abena. Abena is from West Africa. And the meaning means born on a Tuesday. I chose Abena because I actually completed creating her on Tuesday, April 28th. Tuesday, April 28th is when I made my final touches with adding her lining. With adding her lining and making sure that all her hardware was on there and all her decorative beads or her decorative chain, should I say. And she has a little keychain coin purse. And that's the inside. So cute. And as you can see, she has brown leather handles, her bag flap, and then her bottom is also in brown. And like I said, her name is Abena. She's West African, Ghanaian. She was completed on Tuesday, April 28th. And Abena means born on Tuesday, so that's why I selected that name for her. She also means a nurturing, strength, compassion, and a natural leader. And as you can tell, she has a natural brown. The leather is in natural brown. So I was very selective with how I created her, and everything just came together the way that it needed to be. So yeah, I can only kind of guess at the colors because this is t-shirt yarn that was purchased through Temu. And with Temu or with anything you order from overseas, sometimes they don't give you color names, they just give you numbers. So I'll say this top purple color is like a plum, and then the pink may be magenta, and then the cream color. And I basically took some gold card and added into the cream to, give that gold effect in the cream. And I added it throughout the entire little coin purse to get that effect. So In her inside, it is a anchor pattern, fabric pattern, should I say. It's a satin. It's satin, it's not cotton. So that is her. So I have to take pictures of her, and then she'll be uploaded into my into the Etsy shop. I say no later than Sunday. No later than Sunday, May 3rd, I want to say. She should be up and ready for purchase. So that is her. That is Abena. I hope you like what you see in this video. Give me a thumbs up, comment, subscribe to the channel, as it helps to build the channel up. And until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, and know that you are a queen. Bye.